So here we have the question, Dora and Teddy go to the shop. We don't have any coins available, we just need to look at what's put in front of us. So we have this Dora has 90p, Teddy has 50p. So we need to find the difference between 90 and 50. We can start with the smallest number, 50. Now both of these numbers you can count on in tens. Remember, we've got 10p. So if we counted on in 10, 20, 30, 40. If we're counting in tens, 50p and 40p equals 90. So our difference is 40p. We change them into 10p's and move them down. We've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50p here, 10, 20, 30, 40p there. Next question, Dora and Teddy go to the shop again. Teddy's got 68p, Dora's got 84p. What is the difference in price? Now remember, we start at the smallest number. So here we have 68p in coins, because we've got 6 10p's, which is 60. We've got 5p, so that's 65. 2p is 67. Add 1, 68. Now we are going to count up to 84. Okay? Remember, we've got to use the coins that are available. So we don't have a 3p or a 4p or a 7p. The easiest thing to do, and as we've said with addition, make 10. So we've gone from 68, added 2 pence to make 70. Now we can add a 10p, because there are 8 tens there, 7 tens, let's add a 10, 80. So we've got to 80p. Now we need to get 4 more pennies. So you could either add 2 pennies, because we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, or you could add 4 1 pennies. Now we have reached or found the difference. We just need to add this number up now. So we've got 10p, add 2p, which is 12p, add another 2p, 13, 14, so that's 14 pennies, add another 2, 15, 16. Our number or difference in price is 16p. Teddy go to the shop again. Now they've got different amounts of money. So Dora's got 55, Teddy's got 23. What is the difference in those two prices? So we've got 55, which is Dora's. We have a number line. Largest numbers going at the end, smallest here. Okay, so we've taken 5p away. So then we can take 2 tens away to make 30p. So then we need to think, right, 23 to make 10 is 7. So I'll take those away. So we've got 5, 20, and then 7 equals 32. So if we added these all together, 5 to 5 is 10. Add £1 is £11, and then we have 20p. Here we have £10. 2 and 2 is 4. Add 1 is £15. £15.20. Okay. If we were to match up the money, 5 and 5 equals 10, so that would cancel each other out. The 1 and 1 would cancel each other out. The 20 and the 20 would cancel each other out. So the only thing that's left are these two £2. 2 plus 2 equals 4.